On Friday, the Azerbaijani Security and Defense Public Union held a roundtable on the establishment of the state service on mobilization and call to military service. The head of the union, Yashar Jafarli, deemed the establishment of the institution as a step toward launching defense reforms. He said that the order, which he called overdue, is necessary to bring Azerbaijan's defense system into compliance with NATO standards. Corruption in the military was also one of the factors leading to establishment of this institution, he said. During the roundtable, the experts said that if the newly formed state service will carry out good activities, it will pave the way for development of the society. However, if it fails to reform the system, it will become a problem for the ruling party. During the roundtable, the participants made proposals to add to the institution charter, including legalizing alternates to military service. On such alternative, developed based on foreign models, was a set payment that would excuse someone from military service. Participants also offered to raise the minimum age for military service from 18 to 20 and to decrease the maximum age for military service from 35 to 27. In addition, participants suggested that civil services such as washing, cooking, medical services be established for military men. They also mentioned that it is necessary for civil society organizations to exercise oversight over the army and to help reserved military servicemen with their problems.